You wake up, check your phone, and the first notification hits you hard. Your client payment has been delayed. Another one says, your car repair estimate, $1,200. If you're a freelancer or a gig worker in the US, you know this feeling. One unexpected bill, one canceled project, and suddenly your entire month collapses. But what if I told you there's a way to make your income bulletproof? A safety net that protects your peace of mind even when your work doesn't guarantee a paycheck. Welcome to this video, where we're going to uncover how to build a rock-solid emergency fund for freelancers and gig workers in the United States, step by step. No financial jargon, just real strategies that work. Stay till the end, because the last section will show you exactly how to keep your fund growing automatically, even when your income isn't steady. Now, why every freelancer needs an emergency fund? Let's be honest, being your own boss sounds great until life decides to test you. Freelancers don't get paid time off, no sick leave, no guaranteed paycheck, no HR department to save the day. When you work for yourself, you are your own safety net, and that's exactly why you need an emergency fund. According to Bankrate, 56% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency expense. And that number is even higher for freelancers. An emergency fund is not a luxury. It's your survival fund. It's what keeps a bad month from turning into a financial disaster. Think of it like your financial seatbelt. You don't plan to crash, but you still wear it every time you drive. Now, the big question, how much money should your emergency fund have? Most experts say, save 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. But for freelancers and gig workers, that rule needs a little upgrade. Because your income isn't stable, your safety net shouldn't be small. So here's the formula that actually works. Step 1. Calculate your bare minimum monthly cost. Rent, food, utilities, transportation, insurance. Nothing fancy. Step 2. Multiply it by 6. That's your ideal target. If your minimum cost is $2,000 a month, aim for $12,000 in your emergency fund. But here's the key. You don't need it tomorrow. You build it step by step. Start with your micro goal. Save your first $500. Then aim for $1,000. Once you cross that, your momentum builds automatically. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's protection. So now comes the hardest part. How do you save when your income isn't the same every month? Here's a system that thousands of US freelancers use, and it works. Step 1. Pay yourself first, always. Every time money lands in your account, immediately transfer 10 to 20% into a separate savings account. Even if the project is small, the habit is more important than the amount. Step 2. Automate your saving. Use tools like Ally Bank, SoFi, or Capital One 360 to set up auto transfers the moment you get paid. Out of sight, out of temptation. Step 3. Separate business and personal accounts. Never mix your income and expenses. This is the biggest freelancer mistake. Keep one account for projects and another for personal spending. Step 4. Save your bonus months. If you get a big payment or more gigs in a good month, save 40% of that surplus, because that's what keeps you safe during a dry month. Step 5. Name your goal. Instead of calling it savings, call it a freedom fund or a safety vault. When your mind connects saving with security, you'll protect it better. Now that you're saving, the next question is, where should this money live? Not in cash, not in your checking account. Keep it somewhere that's safe, accessible, and earns interest. Here are the top options in the US right now, as of 2025. High-yield savings accounts. Ally Bank, SoFi, Discover, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, offering 4 to 5% APY. Money market accounts. Slightly higher interest, but limited transactions per month. Short-term treasury funds if you want zero risk but slightly better returns. Avoid putting your emergency fund in stocks or crypto. Those are investments, not protection. Your emergency fund should be boring, because when life gets chaotic, your money shouldn't. How to stay consistent and motivation to keep going. Saving isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. Here's a truth most people never tell you. You won't feel rich building an emergency fund. You'll feel responsible. You'll feel calm, because every dollar you save is a dollar buying you peace of mind. Create visual motivation. Watch your progress bar fill up each month. Reward yourself, small treat, when you hit milestones, $500, $1,000, $5,000. And tell yourself, I'm building stability in an unstable world. And one day, when your car breaks down or your client ghosts you, you won't panic. You'll smile and say, "I planned for this." That's the power of your emergency fund. So if you're a freelancer in the US and tired of living paycheck to paycheck, today is the day you take control. Start small, be consistent, and soon you'll realize financial freedom doesn't start with earning more. It starts with protecting what you already have. Subscribe to our channel if you found this valuable, because next week we're diving deep into budgeting for freelancers in 2025, the new rules you must know.